Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at Adf Foods Ltd with reference to its Q4 FY20 results. It has performed reasonably well. It's a consumer-based company. It's a leader in ready-to-eat foods and ready-to-cook foods, sauces, pickles, pastes, dips, frozen foods, etc. It has got 7 flagship brands. It manufactures and distributes and markets Indian food plus organic Mexican food and natural Mediterranean food. The company's products are available in over 50 plus countries through 180 plus distributors across US, Canada, Europe, Australia, Asia and Middle East. There are 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants at Nasik and Nadiad with a total installed capacity of 26,000 tons per annum. Now, let's take a brief look at Q4 performance. The total income for the quarter stood at 86 crores compared to 69 crores in Q4 of last year, up 24% year on year. EBITDA for the quarter was 19.5 crores compared to 17.6 crores in the corresponding period of last year. EBITDA margin is 22.8% in Q4 FY20. The reported net profit after tax is 13.3 crores in Q4 FY20 as compared to just 3.2 crores in Q4 of FY19. So, impressive improvement in net profit after tax. And the results of Q4 also include one-time impairment charge of rupees 9.8 crores. PAT margin for the quarter stood at 15.5%. The total debt as on 31st March 2020 stood at 23.2 crores, which constitutes mostly short-term borrowings. Total cash and cash equivalents and bank balance stood at 36.7 crores. Now the company has started a new business segment called agency distribution. During the year FY20, it has entered into a new business segment under which the company would act as a distribution agent for food products for a Fortune 500 FMCG global major across US and UK markets. This is a new vertical. It gives the company a wide product portfolio of that FMCG company, Fortune 500. And through that means the company will get avenues for its own products also. This vertical distributed 32.2 crores, contributed 32.2 crores revenues for FY20. Now, some new products have been launched under the Ashoka brand during the year, like frozen chutneys, bullet naan or masala naan, tandoori lacha naan, vegetable spring rolls, Chinese samosa, cheese samosa, vegetable samosa and Malaysian style plain paratha. So, it's introducing new year products. It also extended its current product line of dipping sauces with a new variant called Chatpata Achari dipping sauce and the ambient range. COVID-19 was there during the year, last part. So, food products are anyway considered as essential goods. So, the operations at both the plants were partially restored with limited manpower from 1st April to 2020. Appropriate norms and guidelines for cleaning, sanitization of the food operation premises, food contact materials, social distancing, hygiene measures are being mandatorily followed. Now, the company has declared a dividend, not final dividend. Earlier, interim dividends were there. First 1 rupee 50 paise, that is 15%, and then another 1 rupee 50 paise, another 15%, one in Q3 and another in Q2. The total was 30% on a face value of rupees 10. So that itself is the total dividend. Now what the CMD says. CMD is Bimal Thakkar. He says, in these extraordinary times, the performance of our team has delivered while ensuring the safety and well-being of each other. We believe that this crisis would bring significant changes in consumer behavior and towards health, hygiene, and nutrition, which could be an opportunity for ADF Foods. We will continue to invest and innovate to tap these evolving consumer needs. Our aim would be to deliver growth along with robust profitability through focusing on cost management and balance sheet quality. Now we'll take a look at Q4 results once more. Net sales are 79.72. Earlier we saw total income. Now net sales 79.72, which is slightly higher compared to the previous quarter, 70.43 crores, and reasonably higher compared to Q4 of last year, that is 64 crores. So year-on-year improvement is 24.39%, and quarter-on-quarter improvement is 13%. Now profit before tax is 17.33 crores compared to previous quarter 11.27 crores, and earlier year, that is Q4 of last year, is 6.41 crores. 17.33 crores Q4 of this year, 11.27 Q3 and 6.41 crores Q4 of last year. Overall, the year-on-year increase is 170.36%, and quarter-on-quarter also is impressive at 53.77. Now net profit, if you look at that, 13.31 crores is the net profit, 11 crores is the net profit during the previous quarter, and 3.17 crores is the net profit in Q4 of last year. So there is a 320% increase year on year and 21% increase quarter on quarter. Anyway, net profit increase and net sales increase despite COVID, it is quite good. Equity is 20 crores, diluted EPS is 6.65. We have seen on a face value after page 10, reasonably good. The current price level is 274 and price earning is a moderate 10. Therefore, there is scope for price rise. 52-week low was 123, 52-week high was 329, now 274. Therefore, that way also there is scope for price rise. Technical rating, we find it is quite bullish, very bullish. Now, if you look at other things, market cap is 545 crores. Last year price earning was 17.38, now 10 only. So that way also there is scope for price rise. Dividend 30% we have seen. Industry price earning is 60. EPS is 15.72, price to book is 2.36, face value 10. So in the recent past, on many days there were only buyers in Adf Foods, which shows investor sentiment is also very good. Now FY20 overall performance also is very good. Total income for FY20 was 295 crores compared to 246 crores last year, up 20%. EBITDA is 62.5 crores compared to last year 53 crores, up 18% year on year. EBITDA margin remains robust at 21%. During the last quarter of the year, the company took the maintenance shutdown of the Nadiad plant for 7 days. Also, towards the end of the year, operations were impacted due to COVID-19 at both the plants, which shut with effect from 24th of March. Subsequently, now it is open. So in future, there might be some effect in Q1 also, it doesn't matter, but Q2 onwards it will be quite normal. In the absence of these events, the revenue and operating profitability growth would have been much more robust. That's what the company says. Reported net profit was 43 crores, which is up 69% year on year. Profit after tax margin is 14.5% now compared to 10.3% last year. Therefore, on all accounts, Adf Foods has performed very well. The only point is there was this COVID-19 lockdown, and so even Q1 may be affected slightly, but still it has performed wonderfully. Q2 onwards, the performance will be very great. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another good result. Thank you.